Hi, my name is Debbie Roberts. I'm here at Vac and also Albany Sewing Machine Center. Today I'm going to show you the multi-line foot from Husqvarna Viking. And also Babylock also has their version, which is called the Stitch Guide Foot. These feet are great for doing decorative stitches, so you can get even spaced decorative stitches when you're sewing. So on this foot, it has lines, and every line is a 1/4 inch apart. So on here, I stitched my hearts. So my hearts are evenly spaced. So let's sew one and see what it looks like. So I'm gonna do the 3rd line over, so that's 3/4 of an inch apart. So I'm gonna place the line right at the bottom of my hearts. Now I have evenly spaced hearts. I love this feature. I use it for even, you could do it for 1/4 inch stitch, a 1 inch, 1/2 inch.
Did you use a stabilizer?
Yes, I also use a stabilizer when I'm stitching this out. So right now I have a tearaway in there. So after I'm done, I'm going to remove the tearaway. But I have to tear away all through each of the stitches. Here I showed you where I didn't use any stabilizer and my hearts are all scrunched up, so I get a lot of puckering. So there's another option I use, is Terral Magic. It's a liquid stabilizer that, just like you starch, and what I do is I spray that onto my fabric and it stiffens my fabric. So it's the same thing as using tearaway without any tearaway. So I have perfect stitches all the time.